Everybody. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now, we are going to show you how to make a really annoying sound with a pop can. Let's get to it. All you need is a soda can. Any soda will work. First you need to drain it. Then you go like this. Gently put a hole in the side, and then hit it once hard like this. Maybe hit it like 3 times. So you want it to look like this. Hit the other side about this hard. A little bit more. And then it may not work the first time. You can make a different variety of sounds. You need it to be a little bit higher. So you make a really annoying thing with the soda can. Bye. I'm gonna try to play a song with it. Play the beginning of Carol of the Bells. Yeah, it works. Or a correct one, right? Yeah, it doesn't really sound like a musical instrument, but it works.